Hello everyone, my name is Johnny, and you guys are watching Murders Who Code. And in today's video, I'll be teaching us how to install independence through Visual Studio's command prompt. With that being said, let's get into the video. First thing is first, you guys want to head to Node.js.org. Once you guys are here, you guys want to press this little button right here that says download for Windows 18.14.0 LTS. Recommended for most users. This is the latest version, which may be a little bit buggy. It has the latest features though, but I recommend downloading the recommended for most users ones. Then once you guys install it, just wait till this loads. It may take a minute. Okay guys, we're back. I had to uninstall Node from my computer real quick. So basically, what you guys want to do is press next, check mark this little box that says I accept the terms in the license agreement. Press next. Press next, next, install. A little window will pop up saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just press yes, and then wait till it installs. It should not take that long, depending on your operating system. Once done, press finish. And you guys now have Node.js installed. What you guys want to do after that is close out your Visual Studio, go to VS Code, type it in, and now to install your dependencies or independencies. What you guys want to do is go up here, press terminal, press new, wait till this loads up. And what you guys want to do now is type in npm install -g sas. And all you have to do now is just wait. And as you can see, that's it. That's all you have to do to install independencies. We can install basically in any independency or dependency. I can show you guys. We can install Webpack. npm install -g Webpack. And Webpack is installed. And to double check to see that everything is installed, you guys can do, let's do Node for example. We can do Node-v or -v, and it shows us the latest version of Node. We can do the same for sas -v. Let's see. Oops. Let's see, guys. Okay, I currently do not remember the command to check what version of SAS is installed, but usually -v for most things can check the version. I think it is the same for Webpack as well. Okay, so Webpack does not have that either. But for most things, to check the version is -v to check the version. I don't know why it's not popping up, but that is how you install everything. You guys can also install extensions too on here too. Make your life easier. You can install the SAS extension. I believe it's a Webpack extension. Yes, it's a Webpack extension right here. I'm pretty sure there is a Node.js extension. Yep, there is a Node.js extension as well. But that's how you install dependencies or independencies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys learned a few things. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if this helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.